All Zoller equipment that's tool presetting is designed and manufactured to live on the shop floor. We don't need it to be in temperature controlled environments, it needs to be by the machine. We need to get quick measurements, accurate measurements straight onto that machine tool. Yeah, well, this is our entry-level Smile compact machine. It creates a massive impact into new users. First installations of tool presetters. It allows operators to get very quick but very accurate measurements. So tools are set offline while your machine's still running, but it's very accurate. Put them into your machine tool and get right first-time parts. So it does impact production day one.
Even though it's an entry-level machine, do you miss out on quite a lot? Obviously, a key benefit of a presetter is setting tools accurately and quickly.
Yeah, no, we still have the same ethos that we have on all our Zoller machines. The build quality is exactly the same. Spindle runout is guaranteed to 2 microns. So, and it's a very user-friendly interface for operators to try. We've got an SK50 spindle on this machine, and now it's going to tell us that we're out of calibration, which is a good sign. All our machines we can time out on calibration, so we know we're getting good measurements. We can click OK, and it will guide your operator through where he's got to go. So now we have our intelligent GPS compass that tells your operator where he needs to be.
So when you're out of the camera, you don't know where you need to move.
Exactly. So it knows where it needs to be. We can be anywhere. As soon as we can see it on this screen, we're going to be giving accurate measurements to within 2 microns. So even on an entry-level machine, this is good. We can click OK. It asks us to give us a rough focus on our focus guide. We click OK, and the machine's calibrated, and we're ready for measurements. So we guide it to our position to find the top of our end mill. Same as the picture's asking us. Once it's happy, it goes green, so the operator knows it can see what he wants. We click OK. It takes us into our Crisp 360 technology, which now puts the camera into record mode. So all the operator has to do now is rotate the tool through 360 degrees, and it remembers the high points of the tool. When he's happy, he clicks OK. This tool's now measured, it prints a label, and he can get over to his machine, and he's up and running. Tool presetting is designed and manufactured to live on the shop floor. We don't need it to be in temperature controlled environments, it needs to be by the machine. We need to get quick measurements, accurate measurements straight onto that machine tool.